All right, so I'm in the bead section, and they have these little beaded crystals. They have pearls. They have just some packs of white beads, colored beads, red beads, letter beads. So, you know, they even have the little ring fasteners, and then they have the little accessories with little clips on them. So if you wanted to hang it from your windshield, rearview mirror, beaded string, you can use different little strings. Big old bags. I mean, I know this is for melting, but you could even use this on your plastic canvas stuff. You know, you can be creative with plastic canvas. You can add all kinds of stuff to it. It's awesome. All right, I'm looking for some plastic purses. Like if you want to do a purse, like we're gonna make a purse. So see if we made a purse. Here's the different types of chains that you could do on your purses. I'd like this, a little lightweight for necklaces and stuff. Here's some gold, say $288, and see you can have different kind of purse straps, thick, thin. Or you can go down here. That one's kind of cool.
Tape is right here, but it's not deep.
You know, those even have clasps that come with them. And then more different kind of beads. You can hang that from your rearview mirror, and you could even put your ribbon on there. So, or you could hang it this way and hang two different things from it. There's a lot you can do with it. All right. Let's see. All right. Here's where usually your plastic canvas stuff crammed. This store is behind a pole, but I don't see any. They got this here, but I don't see the smaller or any round stuff. But they do have new yarn. Let's do a walkthrough. See if they have any new colors. Oh, that's some pretty color. Look at that. Oh, look at the purple. Look at the crayon color, the bright colors. Christmas. That's pretty. I really like those colors. Greens. Now they have the cheaper brands, colors. I have the red candy cane. I do like the purple. Ooh, I like that blue. I like that color. Nope. I guess I don't have anything plastic canvas right now. I like that pink. Look at that glitter on there. That's pretty. That's pretty. I don't know if I've seen this color before, but I really like those colors. I like these too. Look at that. Browns, purples. Browns, purples. Oh, look at the green and the peach. I like that. I like those colors. I like those colors. I like those colors. I like those colors. I like these colors. I love these colors. Well, I'm disappointed. They don't have anything plastic canvas. And I'm looking for that silky thick yarn. I've seen them use this real silky thick yarn, but it's like a vinyl looking. They don't have it here. Oh, they have nothing plastic canvas over here, really? Just that. I'm a little annoyed. But anyway, so hope. Just did a little Walmart walkthrough on the colors and the yarns. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, give a thumbs up, and have a blessed day.